Hi, welcome to the Z Gym and to my six-pack summer ab workout number 7. This workout is going to be really intense because we're going to be combining high-intensity cardio and we're going to be jump roping. And then we're going to incorporate the kettlebell. So if you have lighter kettlebell, use that one for today's workout. Also, you're going to need your exercise mat. And we're gonna do 1 minute of jump rope in between each of these exercises, and there is 4 different exercises that we're gonna be doing. So stay with me, try not to pause the video, try to keep up the pace, and let's do this together. This workout is not gonna be long, I promise, but you have to push really, really hard. Okay, let's start with the jump rope. We're gonna do high knees for 1 minute, and go. Remember to keep your elbows close to your body. You're only moving your wrists. Drive your knees up high. Relax your shoulders. And we're 20 seconds in, so keep going. Seconds left. Three, two, one, and done. Okay, now let's get down onto the exercise mat. You're gonna grab your kettlebell and we're gonna do kettlebell pass under your knees in a seated position. So grab the kettlebell handle by the edge, pass it under your knees, and bring it up like this. So you're gonna be bringing your knees towards your chest and then extending them out. So let's get started. 10 reps. Under and extend your legs. Under and extend. That's 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's reverse the movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Get up, stand up, grab your jump rope, another minute of jump roping. Remember to brace your core, brace your abs when we're doing the high knees. And let's go. Keep going. And bring the knees up high. Last 5 seconds. And done. Okay. Now we're gonna do 10 plank walks. So you're gonna get down into the plank, but onto your elbows. And you're gonna walk the entire length of your exercise mat forward. That's 1. And backwards. That's 2. And let's do 10 reps. 3, 4. Try not to push your hips too much high. 5. And back. Little by little. That's 6. 7. 8. This is really hard. Okay, two more reps. 9. And last one. Back. And that's 10. Okay. Get up. Grab the jump rope. 1 minute. And go. This cardio is great for your abs. You're gonna be burning tons of calories, so keep up the pace. Almost there. 3, 2, 1, and we're done. Okay. Now, we're gonna do single leg sit up with a toe touch, and it looks like this. You're gonna have one knee bent, foot flat on the ground. The other leg is extended but off of the ground. So you're gonna sit up. Now you're gonna lift the leg up and touch your toes. And we're gonna do 10 reps on each side. Get ready. And let's go. Sit up, touch the toes. And keep it in the air, the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch legs. Sit up and touch the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, get up, grab your jump rope, another minute. Get ready. I know it's hard, but you're burning so much calories, and it's the best way to show your abs. Let's get started. Go in. And 3, 2, 1, and done. Okay, last exercise on the circuit is you're gonna get into a plank. You'll have the kettlebell in between your feet, and then you're gonna push your hips up, keep your back straight, touch the kettlebell handle, and get back into the plank. And we're gonna be alternating the arms, and we're gonna do 10 reps total. So get ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Now we're gonna do the circuit one more time, but we're gonna cut the jump rope time in half. So we're gonna do only half a minute in between each exercise. So grab the jump rope. We're starting with 30 seconds of high knees. Ready? And go. Keep your elbows close to your body. Chest up, abs tight, and we're done. Okay, 10 seated kettlebell passes. So grab the kettlebell by the edge again. Now pass under and extend your legs out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and reverse the motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Stand up, grab the jump rope. 30 seconds. Ready? And go. Stay with me. 3, 2, 1, and done. Okay, plank walks. And we're gonna do only 5 reps this time. This one is super hard. Okay, you start at the end of your exercise mat and start walking forward. Little step, little by little, all the way up to the front of your mat and then back. That's 2. 3. 4. Almost there. And 5. Okay, get up. Grab the jump rope. 30 seconds. We can do this. And go. And 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and done. Okay, sit down and extend one leg out, bend one knee. The extended leg is off of the ground the whole time. You know, sit up, lift the leg up, touch your toes. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good news is we're gonna switch legs now. Sit up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Stand up, grab the jump rope, and last 30 seconds with your jump rope. Get ready and go. Keep your core tight. Last 5 seconds. And we're done. Okay, last exercise. Get into the plank. Kettlebell is in between your feet. You're gonna push your hips up, keep your back straight, and touch the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that's it. Okay, stand up, march in place, catch your breath, and hope you guys enjoyed this workout. I did. It was fun, it was dynamic. We did a lot of work. We did a lot of core work, a lot of cardio. This workout is super effective for burning tons of calories and for chiseling your abs. So, good job. Now, do your cool down, do your stretching, and make sure that your diet supports your training. So, a lot of veggies, no junk food, healthy fats, lean proteins, things like that. It's really important. So, that's it for today, and I will see you guys next time in the Z Gym. Ciao.